Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious evening snacks, that is Veggie Maggi fingers. This unique evening snacks recipe is so amazing and the result turns out to be super delicious. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहते देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. Let's start with the recipe. First, in a bowl, take 3 to 4 boiled potatoes and 1/4 cup of boiled green peas. Then add 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon each of grated ginger and garlic, chopped capsicum, carrot, beans and green chillies. I have taken 1/4 cup of carrot, capsicum and beans. Then add few chopped coriander leaves, salt as per taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, mixed herbs. Now mash everything together. And after that use hands to combine everything. Then add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix well and combine. Now take a portion from the mixture and give a finger shape. Prepare all the fingers and keep in the freezer for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare a slurry. In a bowl, take half cup of Maida, 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 packet of Maggi seasoning. Mix everything well. Gradually add water to make a semi-thick slurry. The consistency of the slurry should be like this. Now crumble 1 packet of Maggi. First dip the finger in slurry. Coat with Maggi crumbs. Press a little so that the Maggi sticks to the finger. Our perfect Maggi finger is ready now. You can store this in an airtight container and deep fry anytime you want. So for deep frying, heat oil in a pan and drop the prepared fingers. Deep fry till golden brown from all sides. Our Veggie Maggi fingers are perfectly golden brown now. Take out and serve. I have served it with ketchup and green chili sauce. You can serve it with any dip you want. This is a delicious evening snack recipe. The fingers are perfectly crispy from outside and soft from inside, and they are so flavorful. So do try them out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.